Think of your SMRT.BIO dashboard like your personal control room. It holds the tools, the data, and the shortcuts that shape your career. But only if you know how to use it. In this video, we'll guide you through every part of the dashboard so you can navigate with purpose and confidence. Everything from personal settings to quick links. From bookmarks to how to share your profile the smart way. And if you're on mobile, don't forget to add SMRT.BIO to your home screen for faster access anytime. Before we dive in, hit subscribe. We're building more tutorials just like this to help you get the most out of SMRT.BIO, whether you're just starting out or ready to scale your presence. Let's start with the bottom navigation bar. First up, your profile icon. Tap it and you'll land on your personal homepage. Next, the user switcher. This lets you jump between different user types, businesses, or organizations that you've created inside SMRT.BIO. In the middle, you'll find the SMRT.BIO logo, which opens quick links. From here, you can access your profile, view or post vacancies, check job applications, explore courses, manage your personal settings, or leave feedback directly. If you've got thoughts to share, we're all ears. Feedback helps us grow. Next is the notifications icon. This is where you'll see important updates. You can also choose whether notifications arrive in your inbox or stay on platform, all under your control. The last icon is your bookmarks. This is where all your saved content lives, from people you've bookmarked after inviting them, to saved courses, assets, and open roles you're tracking. Everything you've marked as important, all in one place. Let's move to the top of the dashboard. The Share Your SMRT.BIO is where you can send out your profile or invite others to join the platform. Click Show All Settings to access more sharing options, like inviting someone to view a specific organization or application you've created. And yes, you control what others can and can't see. For a deeper dive into privacy and visibility settings, check out the video linked in the description. Right next to that is the View Your SMRT.BIO button. Click here to preview your public profile. Make sure it's updated, polished, and ready to go. This is where you showcase who you are and what you're about. Up in the top right corner, there's the settings gear. Inside, you can adjust your language preferences, change your password, review privacy settings, read our GDPR policy, and log out when needed. And that's it, your complete walkthrough of the SMRT.BIO dashboard. No more guessing what buttons do or where your tools are hiding. Now you know exactly how to take control of your space, stay organized, and grow with confidence. If this helped, subscribe and share it with someone else navigating SMRT.BIO for the first time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.